Happy Motivational Monday. This is your girl Steph B, and today I'm bringing to you your first Creating Your Reality challenge. On my journey of learning who I am, I first had to take a step back and analyze what was going wrong, what was I currently doing that was not helping me to produce the things that I wanted to see or move forward towards. And what I discovered was everything that I constantly replayed in my mind, constantly spoke, it started to manifest. So those negative things that I was thinking, man, this is not gonna happen for me. This is never gonna happen. I'm never gonna receive this. I am not good enough. It was actually manifested. So I said to myself, if I can manifest every negative thing, why not replace those things with positive thoughts, positive words, and positive pictures in my mind? From that day forward, I began to speak over and over again what I wanted to see. And the more that I began to do this, I started to believe in the things that I was thinking and speaking. And eventually, everything that I was thinking and speaking positive started to come to pass. It manifests. Okay, so here's where you come in. First, I want you to write down at least one thing that you want to manifest or create in your reality. Now, after you wrote it down, I want you to visualize it. See it in your mind as if you already have it and you are enjoying the labors of you speaking it or thinking it or feeling it. Now that you're visualizing it, I need you to speak it as if you already have it. Speak it as if you are enjoying the benefits of your labor, of you speaking, of you working towards it, of you visualizing it, of you feeling it and thinking it. So now that you're speaking it every day, I wanted to show you my challenge. It doesn't have to be this long. This is just something that I want to see and feel in my reality. Mine say all things lead to my success and abundance of having more than enough of love, joy, peace, happiness, and financial prosperity. Again, it does not have to be this long. If you want to just say, I am so thankful and grateful for this car that I can go to and from my destinations, to and from my family house. I am so grateful that I no longer have to get on public transportation, but I have my own vehicle. Or you can say, I am so grateful for this house that I have. I am about to have the most amazing family get-togethers, the most amazing business meetings in my own home. I no longer have to pay someone to live in a space. This is my own home and I am so grateful for it. You know, speak it as if you already have it. Speak it as if you are enjoying everything that you are really asking for. I need you to do this as long as it takes to manifest. As I mentioned in my previous video, some things may happen right away. Some things may take a little while. Don't give up. Continue to speak it, continue to believe it, continue to feel it as if you already have it. And when those negative thoughts creep in, man, I am doing this too long. This stuff should have happened. This is not working for me. Erase that thought. Get it out your mind. Yes, I've been there. I've done that. And it really didn't help me to go forward or to maintain or to get everything that I was asking for. So when those thoughts begin to creep in, erase it and replace it with your challenge. It is gonna happen. I will receive this. I will get this. and you will eventually get it. If you just feel the need to put your challenge in the comment area below, I will be in agreement with you. I will also speak and believe that you will receive everything that you're asking for. But that's totally up to you. It's optional. You don't have to put anything in the comment area below. But if you feel the need to, just trust and believe I am with you. I check all my comments. I will definitely speak out with you on your behalf that you have everything that you are requesting. So with that being said, this is your girl Steph B, and as always, you are the creator of your reality. Peace.